How to share full screen reels on Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Sign into your account. And you need to go to the reel you wanna share. If you haven't selected yet, go ahead and tap on the reel icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the share icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on add to story button. Once you're on the story editor, you can easily use two fingers to resize the reel to fit the full screen. Drag to center the video as needed, and you can use stickers, text, or effects to customize your story and to add enhancement. After that, tap your story, or you can also tap on close friends to share. And this will help you to make the reel appear full screen on your story. So that is how currently we can show full screen reels on Instagram story. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.